Hello kids and welcome back. We are still editing in the sprites. What we are going to do, we are going to first of all select all these, delete them. We don't want them. We can delete them. We can even put this one on one side. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a new costume today. So how we can add a new costume? I can just click on it, click on anything I want. It is not going to add on the same page or same uh, costume. It is going to create a new costume for me, and you can see there is a new costume here. Okay, we have plenty of options here from where we can get many of these ones. From here we have a large selections here. We can also upload it from my computer. If I am going to select this one, let's say it is going to create this one. This is my own costume, and you can see it has created for me this costume here. Right. Now the other thing is that when I have selected this one from my computer, this is a JPG image, and this image is not editable, and the options here are not visible like that. So what I have to do, will have to convert it to vector. I am going to convert it to vector. Now it is converted to the vector. Now I can edit it as a vector. But what we have here, we don't have much of the options like those. We can erase something here, right? To do that, we have to convert to bitmap, erase something we want, okay? I have just did this a little rough, then convert it to vector. Now I can do something here with my option available. But you see, it has selected this portion, and it can squeeze it, make it smaller, bigger, rotate it, but it will not edit same way we could have edited the things we had from our costume library. So I'm going to delete it. We have other options from where we can bring in our own costumes which are editable. These are special kind of files. We are going to discuss them later on when we are going to use them. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.